Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy data and airtime using Palmpay. First of all, open Palmpay app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, make sure you are logged into your account. To first says airtime, tap on the airtime icon on the home screen. Enter the phone number you want to recharge. Select your network provider and choose the amount you wish to purchase. Once you have entered the details, tap Next and confirm your purchase. Your airtime will be credited instantly. To buy data, go back to the home screen and tap on the data icon. Just like with airtime, enter the phone number, select your network, and choose your preferred data bundle. Confirm your purchase and your data bundle will be activated immediately. It's that simple. That's it. Thanks for watching.